Hello once again, I welcome you back to Jerome Moses channel. I'm going to show you how to recover your Metamask wallet in case you lose your phone or it's not accessible, or you want to log into a new device of a friend but you had saved your recovery key somewhere. So you go to Play Store, you download it, you download the app, you search for it, it's here, Metamask, install it. This also takes a few seconds as it depends on how quick the internet is. Our wallet has opened. Welcome to Metamask Wallet, trusted by millions. Metamask is a secure wallet making the world of Web3 accessible to all. Manage your digital assets, store, spend, and send digital assets like tokens, ethereum, unique collectibles. Your gateway to Web3, log in with Metamask and make transactions to invest and play and sell more. So we click on get started. Remember, as I said, we are going to recover our Metamask wallet in case we lost our phone and we had saved our recovery key, as I had talked about it in my previous video. So here I'm going to say import. There are three options when you was on wallet setup. There is import using secret recovery phrase, sync with Metamask extension, and then create a new wallet. So in this case, I'm going to import with a secret recovery phrase. Here we are. I click on that. So import from seed, secret recovery phrase, enter your phrase. I'm going to enter it here. I had already copied it, so I'm just going to paste it here. I had copied it on my clipboard, so I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to create a new password for this wallet. I re-enter the password, and then they're telling me the password is weak. I don't know why. Oh, it's not matching. It's okay. So, and then I click on import. So if my recovery key is correct, after a few seconds, my old wallet is going to be imported on this device. Just a few seconds. Trying to validate the recovery phrase if it does exist, and trying to help us improve the Metamask. You read through this. Metamask will always allow you to opt out via settings, send anonymized click and page views events. Metamask never collects keys, addresses, transactions, balances, or hashes, or personal information. Metamask never collects your IP address, never sells data for profit. So you click on agree. So our wallet has been recovered. So this is our wallet, it has been recovered. I will not take you through the tour. I'll refer you to my previous video, which I'm going to attach below in the description of this video. So that's how you recover a wallet. So like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.